Woo! Hello, the Great North. Drew Henley here with Upstate 208 in beautiful North Idaho, baby. Just living the dream.
I woke up to find the earth was round one day, and all around the world now things begin to change. Never had I ever seen the sun rise that way above the day to greet the dawn, and the earth shook beneath my feet, and the storm raged through the night, and I lost all that I had won. Oh, but I flowed like a river flow. You think you got it all figured out? Oh, there's money in the bank and no windmill all about. Well, now what you gonna do when your ship starts to sink? Caught in a monstrous sea, yeah, you won't be able to think. Yeah, and it's there you'll learn what I know, that all of this world will fade. You gotta learn to let it all go. Oh, and flow like the river flow.
Flow.